And then this is the left hand in overhand. So same, so underhand, right hand, back and front, back, back, left out, right out, left out. Keep the poi parallel to each other and parallel to the screen. And then you're going to turn your body the back plane. Again, keep the poi parallel to the screen and rotate your body so that you're out, turn, in, and out, turn, in. 1, flip, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip, 4, flip, 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 reverse. Flip, flip, 6, 7, right turn. Flip, 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 reverse, left, flip, 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 reverse, turning right, come back to neutral, turning left, come back to neutral, turning right and flip, turn left and flip, turn right and flip. Now it's the right turn and right, left,